Today on Tony Can Speed, we're going to take a look at bike storage, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's take a look and see how many of these questions you can answer correctly. Leaning your bike up against a flat wall is a good storage technique. I know a lot of us do this, but leaning your bike up against the wall is not the ideal storage by any means. It puts undue pressure on such components as the shifters and brakes, the saddle, and can cause components to loosen and move, which could leave you stranded out in the middle of a ride. Also, you take the big chance that it might get knocked over. Hanging your bike from a ceiling hook is an excellent storage method. Utilizing a rubberized ceiling hook is probably one of the better ways to store your bicycle. Contrary to popular belief, it does not put undue pressure on the wheel or rim, and if it accidentally gets knocked, it allows the bike to move and not fall over. To lift your bicycle, especially for us short people, go ahead and grab the top tube and the down tube near the crank and just lift and mount. Storage of my bike in my car seems like a good idea. I know a number of our club members do this, but I have two concerns. One is the heat of the summer, where temperatures can rise in your car well over 100, 110 degrees, enough to blow out the tube in your tire. The second is the cold. Repeated freezing and thawing of rubber can cause cracks in the tire, brake pads, or other rubber components and leave you stranded in the middle of a ride. Any floor rack will work well for storage. Not so. Floor racks do vary quite a bit, and some are kind of flimsy. Others put pressure against the spokes of the wheel, as seen here. My favorite bike rack is from Bike Hand. It's sturdy, can mount either from the front or back wheels, and takes up a minimum of space. By the way, I don't get paid any royalties from Bike Hand. And you're ready to use the stand. Using a wall mount will protect my bike. Sometimes, but only if the mount is rubberized to prevent paint from chipping. It's in a spot where you're not going to bump into it. And the wall mount does not put undue pressure on any of the cables that run along the top tube. This is a nice wall mount, but notice the back tire is resting against the wall. That'll leave a nice dirt or grease mark on the wall. Your bike costs a lot, so it's worth taking care of. If you have any tips or suggestions, please comment so I can pass those on to our viewers. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Safe cycling.